Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC. This puts you in control fast. Once visible, move to the Processes tab to see apps and background services and why they use CPU or memory. You should end visible applications first because they're safest to close. Select a process and choose End Task. If multiple apps are unresponsive, close them one at a time so you can confirm system stability between steps and avoid cascading crashes. Once done with simple endings, go to the Details tab to see full process names and PIDs. This is where you target stubborn items. Make sure to use End Process Tree when a parent process spawns children because it cleans up related tasks. If Task Manager won't stop something, use the command line, taskle/PIDID/F or taskle/IMname. exe/F to force termination. This handles hung services or background apps that ignore the GUI commands. To finish, verify by checking the Performance and Processes tabs to confirm CPU, RAM, and disk activity normalized. If your desktop or taskbar is unstable, restart Explorer. exe, end task on Explorer. exe then file right arrow run new task and type Explorer. exe. If closing processes caused instability, don't panic. Reboot into safe mode or run system restore to recover. Troubleshooting tip: if an app restarts automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.